I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your address on ZIP 2026 is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your personal details. Step 3. Edit your address. In the Profile Settings, find the section labeled Address or Contact Information. Click on the Edit button next to your current address to make changes. Step 4. Enter your new address. Type in your new address carefully. Make sure to double check for any typos, especially in the street number or zip code, as this can lead to delivery issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are applied. Remember to log out and log back in to see the updated information. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Good luck with your update.